Hello students, welcome to SY Learning, and today we will talk about vegetables name. So let's see how many vegetables are there, what are their colors, names and pronunciation as well.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go.
Bottle gourd, bottle gourd. Eggplant, eggplant. Turnip, turnip.
3, 2, 1.
Stop.
Eggplant. Cabbage, cabbage. Cauliflower, cauliflower.
3, 2, 1.
Stop.
Cabbage. Pumpkin, pumpkin. Bitter gourd, bitter gourd. Mushroom, mushroom.
3, 2, 1.
Stop.
Pumpkin. Lettuce, lettuce. Ladyfinger, ladyfinger. Beetroot, beetroot. Capsicum, capsicum.
3, 2, 1.
Stop.
Lettuce.
Surprise!
Zucchini, zucchini. Taro root, taro root. Spring onion, spring onion. Fenugreek, fenugreek.
Stop.
Surprise!
Taro root.
Thanks for watching SY Channel.